Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. The sun is out, the air is crisp, and the tires are pumped. Today, we're hitting a new route. Let's see what the trail has in store for us.
And guys, keep with us and don't forget to subscribe. I know I have so many mistakes in my video. Don't worry guys, I fix my mistake day by day. Look at this view. That's the Indian mountain in the distance. We are going to be climbing steadily toward that peak over the next hour. Time to drop a gear and get ready for the hard work.
Thanks for watching my mini moto ride vlog.